Welcome back. This is start of part E. We're about to prototype this. We just went in and filled in our credit card information and the address where everything that we have here with it. So the user experience on this is important that we're billing up to payment 3. You got payment 1, payment 2, payment 3 is the artboard. That we're going to connect all this together with it as well. So let's continue on what we're about to do with it. So in here, we're going to prototype this. When I click on the card, it'll populate our information in here with it. One of the things that I'm going to come back, the next thing we need to do is actually we want to grab the loading of the screen where we had it, and we're going to go ahead and grab the one that we made here in the beginning. You logged in. I'm going to copy it, move it over to, pan it over to this section, Command V, and paste it into the artboard. I'm going to keep the loader animation here, the GIF here, and just delete the logo. And we're going to copy that up. I'm actually going to grab this text, grab the loading screen, and how it's left to align. I want to center it online now with it as well, so I just want to center the underneath that, loading the GIF with it. That's what we have. Now that I want to keep the text bound box with the same width of the artboard with it, and we'll have that center paragraph width, and let's just keep the text directly in the center with it as well. And let's go ahead and change and submit the button payment here, just like so. So okay, at this point we can just select the pay button. Let me type this up, and at this like this with it. So we just at this time with it, and we're going to actually zoom in here with it. And at this point, I'm just going to select the pay button right now. I'm going to prototype this. Tap on tap. Nothing fancy. Get it instantly with it as well. With it. So hold on. Got a message coming in. Hold on. So let's. I'm gonna right now. I'm gonna grab the pay button right now with it, and it should be able to go ahead, and we're going to prototype this on tap. We're going to tap this, just something very simple. It should go straight forward to the payment, and let's go ahead and see what it looks like with it. Okay, so on the pay, you're now on the screen. It's being loading, kind of like an animation screen to this thing. Okay, so let's finalize our checkout workflow experience. We want to show the boba tea in real time, being delivered in the address in a series of screens with it. So eventually getting delivery here at the end. Okay, so that's cool. So let's go ahead and go back to the learning page, the learning tab, and let's copy the loading screen, and let's change the name of that loading screen to delivery, and we'll do delivery 1. So just click outside of the artboard and drag and select the loading GIF and the payment, and just delete it. And remember, we had a map of San Francisco, so let's grab this map. And just as you remember, you just click on it, already cropped it. It's already in the right position with it. Command C to copy it and go over to the delivery artboard with it. And Command V to paste it. It will paste in the right place with it as well. All right. So the next thing we need to do is go to this Design Good artboard on the left here. And let's grab the boba icon with the white circle behind it. Command, and we'll see. Let's copy it, and we'll paste it somewhere in our application. Let's say maybe here. And now we'll grab the map pin icon. Again, like I explained in the last videos, that if you want a lot of icons in here, just go to the website. It's called project.com. Type in the map icon with it. And you can get a whole bunch of little map pins, and you can get even little map pins that you want, and get a whole bunch of other stuff that you want here as well. So all right, so you have one of the design good artboard with it, so you can always do a Command C to copy it, and then I'm going to go over here and shift. I'm going to drag and come over to the final artboard that we have, and let's place a map icon. Place it on the map icon, and let's do somewhere like somewhere here. That's fine. Okay. And the next tool I want to teach you here is the pin tool. So that this little pin tool, the pin tool, not the pen tool, the pin tool, this drawing tool allows you to create any custom shape that you like. So you can see that I'm going around sort of like connecting all the dots with selection all the tools. So I can fill it in. I can do press V and hold it out and select the shape, go back to the selection tool, delete it, and then go. So that we can do is to go to the create custom line tool and follow the street from the boba to my map icon here with it. So let's press P, and let's click on around the boba around here, and then we'll use, you can see that follow the mouse with it. Go ahead and click again on the street, then follow that street, click down, and a little bit to the right, now that you have again the connecting to the map icon too as well. So let's change the color to a bright purple and change the pink to an action pink, and let's change the stroke to 2. Cool. So now you want to manipulate all of this and use it to come in and grab the anchor point, and you can move it around. So we'll press the Art keyboard, the keyboard here, and delete them with it. So manipulates the shape. The next thing we need to do is to go to the top and say delivery with it. So we'll grab our title from the payment page, and let's click on the artboard, press delivery, and paste the text payment. We'll call this delivery. Do ... Okay. So actually, delivery is with delivering I think this is present tense. There you go. So let's create space here for us to put the text in the interval as long as it's going to take. And so just grab a rectangle here. We'll you can press the R for the shortcut with it, and let's do about 180, and with the width of an iPhone. I think let's go back and make it black. We can make this black and just put arrival time. I think it's some big text here with it. Yeah. So I'm going to use the regular milk tea setting with the 42 points and the 22 point text with it. So let's go ahead and grab this text tool that we do, the T tool, that you can actually just type in the T on the keyboard shortcut with it, and call this arrival time. So let's change this to white so you could see it, and we center it by doing the paragraph center here, and let's make it 14 points so we can change the color from white to the cool gray like that. All right, let's hold on a second here. Hold on a second, check on the time here.